Have you ever eaten alone? Like not once, not twice. And not because you're an introvert. Not because you ever wanted that. But it is what it is. You eat alone. At some point you begin to understand why the table has so many chairs. It wasn't designed for one person. And that's when my bittersweet Romanian word comes in. Dor. I don't think I could translate it to you or find an analogue in other languages. It's something Romanian. It belongs to us. If you'll ask me what dor means, I'd say to miss someone, leaving you with only a small part of the word's meaning. A never-ending desire to see someone or something dear. It's a state of mind, it's a way of living. It's not just about someone or something, it's about you and me. It's living in a house with so many doors that lead to empty rooms.
Da, măic, salut! Și cum la voi? Ce mai faci Italia? Adică o găsit cine să vă înlocuiască? Adică nu-ți primești nici luna asta. Mi-e dor de voi.